Hello there my lovelies. I'm super excited because I've got a parcel. Just been to pick it up from the post office. Sorry for wiggling you around, but excitement took over. Don't know if that's a word. No, it probably isn't. Anyway, here it is, and I'm going to take it out of its beautiful wrapping. So excited. Back in a minute when I will open this beauty out and show you all its glorious contents. Okay, so I am at my desk, which is kind of slightly empty, but not really. This space is empty. Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look at my beautiful parcel. Now this came from, recommended by Annie Claxton from Arty Farty Annie. I will leave a link to her videos on these particular things down in the description. Check out her whole channel. It's amazing, very inspirational, and I absolutely adore it and all the things that she does on there. So she recommended this company called Bazaar to me, who do scrap bags basically of their old saris and things. I'll tell you a little bit about them in a minute, but they come in this, they come in a package, but then in the package is this beautiful, let me take you up a little bit, beautiful bag. Look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous. And inside is, well, I ordered 3 initially of these scrap bags because they do them in 6 different colorways. And I think I got red, pink, and what was the other one? Red, pink and blue, that was it. Since getting this, I have ordered the other 3 because I'm in love with them, and I really, really want all of the sets because that's a collector in me. But no, I will use all of the things, and I think the black one that they have is going to be highly useful. Anyway, let's go in. They do put them in the plastic inside, but they are recycled bags, so they've been recycled already. So I'll just show you what they look like. They pack them beautifully. I mean, I've kind of mangled it a little bit by taking them out of the bag, but look at the beauteousness of these. This one is the red one. There. And I got a little free gift because I put in Annie's special code, but if you go to her video you will also be able to get that special code and get a little free gift. And the one that I got was a beautiful wooden block for block printing, and I think it's a peacock. I'm kind of sure it's a peacock. Look at that, that's awesome. Isn't that lush? And I want to do a little bit of block printing inspired by Annie. She's getting me into all kinds of ways, I tell you. I'm so happy about it, can I say. And 3 little miniature crocheted doilies, or is it 2? No, just 3. 3 little crocheted doilies, which is so super cute and beautiful and would be good for like embellishments and all kinds of things. So those are my little freebies that I got inside. Let's get to the packages now though. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out of this wrinkly crinkly wrapping and we'll go through them one by one. So the first one I'm going to do is the red one, which is sorry, this one here. I'm going to pause you for a second, take the things out and I'll come back. Okay, so I've pulled it out of its packaging and it looks glorious, can I say. First things first, we've got lots of little sequins that are dotted around. I kind of love this. It's like hide and seek. You have to find them, but they crop up eventually. Love the way this is packaged. There's a little bell there. I've got bells on my wrist as well. There's a little tiny bell. And oh, so many little bits of sequins. This is really pleasing to me because I am a goblin magpie. This is my self-professed title. Goblin magpie womble, I think, if it was going to go for my full name. I don't know where to put these. I'll have to find a little spot. Ooh, got these little boxes. This is from a thing that I'm going to be showing you on Friday anyway, so it's a perfect spot for these to go in. In fact, if I colour coded some of these, I could I could make sure I've got all the different colours in different colour boxes. It doesn't match, obviously, the yellow one with a red thing, but hey, you know, I'm improvising. I think I've got most. Anyway, let's go on. So first of all, we've got this little piece of sari ribbon that has been tied in a little bow. I'm going to keep it like that for now, but again, that could be used as a tie for a book journal cover or a journal cover of any kind, which is beautiful. This is a great motif to put on the front of anything. It's fabulous. It's all little it's like a silk thread that's been couched down onto this purple background. I love that. That's awesome. Just making sure that you can see what I'm showing you. These I love. I've always loved these little tiny birds that are made out of fabric with decorations and bells on them. You see me, I love bells, so bells is it's right up my alleyway. They can go in the little box, I think, so I don't lose them. Ooh, another one. So what else have we got? Oh, we've got a tiny one, so a smaller one. It's not tiny, but smaller than that one, in a different colourway. That's got black and like a rusty red colour. Lovely. Another little doodad. Ooh, this is interesting. This is like a webbing. This has come off of some kind of a bag. It's a woven webbing, which is rather like weaved webbing. Can't speak, can I? That's lush. I'm seeing all of this as a complete bag in my head. I've got so many ideas about things I could make with this. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's got like an embroidered pattern on it, if you can see in the light there. It's got a nice piece of that. These are all reclaimed from saris or clothing, and I love the idea of that. Absolutely love it. You're using up something that wouldn't get used and you're going to make something new from it, and that is music to my ears. And I love things like this where you've got little scraps of fabric and you just put them together. I'm going to put these doodads in there as I find them. This is lovely. This is like feels like a woolen woven. Really nice, and that will go really well with anything that you're going to make with this set of stuff. The people who choose these and put them together put a lot of thought in, and from what I heard from Annie's video, they go by feel, so what they feel should go together, and I think that's a great way of putting things. You know, you sort of got a whole load of scraps and putting them together. Annie says it would be a great job to have to do that, and I agree with her. Okay, so this is another one with a lovely edging on there. I mean, that would make a start for something already. I've got ideas for that. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. We have a piece of fabric here with like block printed trees on it. Oh, it's nice, long lengths. I love this. This is awesome. So I've got a fair bit of that to play with. And that looks like a linen. Oh. I'm just going to be owing all the way through this. I do apologise. Well, I don't. I'm sorry. Not sorry, really. Thank you. Because it is a glorious little pack. The packs each are $12.50, which I think is very, very reasonable for a whole selection of fabrics. If you think about how much you pay for a fat quarter, etc., and this is, you're helping the environment, recycling, and you know, reclaiming things. Look at this; it's just beautiful. It's like a chiffony pattern. Oh, glorious! This is like a leafy print. I keep finding these little sequins. I'm just popping them in there as I find them. That's nice. That's beautiful. So many of the I'm going to have just a whale of a time sewing these. This is another linen piece. So there's that. Colours are beautiful. I don't know if my camera's showing up how beautiful they are. Oh, this is another piece of that. Oh gosh, yeah. I'm happy I've got more of this. It's another smaller bit of that goes beautifully. Oh, it's not a bit. It's having an attachment of something. Okay. Ooh, another sequin. This is nice. Ooh. Is that a woven? It's probably woven. Yeah, it's probably beautiful on the pile. And another piece. Great. So that's two pieces of a similar size that can make things with. A whole load more of the little doodads. Let's put them in this box. It's like a game finding all tiny little sequins. Oh, there's a couple there as well. Put them in. Well, this is it's like suede. It is. It's leather, suede leather. It's got like, you can separate it out. Interesting. Okay. I'm feeling this is probably from a bag of some kind, I would imagine. Okay, so that is reusable, definitely. Oh, wow. Thinking lots of things. It's obviously got a little clasp on there. That was a bit that I found on there. So that was the red pack. I'm going to pause you now and I'll be back with another set of fabrics. So that is beautiful. So really happy with those. I'll clear off the decks and I'll be back with, I think we'll go with the pink pack next. Well, this was the pink set. I've just been all the way through it and then realised I hadn't pressed the record button. How ridiculous am I? But you can see how beautiful the fabrics are. It's, as I say, similar to the red one, lots of different fabrics, and they're all colour coded with beautiful fabrics that have all been put together in the most wonderful way. It's probably a good job that I didn't record this because I have got another one to go through, but you can see, and there were all these beautiful little doodads, including this elephant. Look at him. How beautiful is he? And there's some beads as well that came with this one. No sequins in this one, but beads and this little elephant. So that's lovely. Anyway, you can see you've got a variety of different pinky coloured fabrics here all mixed together, so that's great, and I shall definitely use these. Oh my gosh, I've got my work cut out for me. So many things that I want to make now. Let me just go through this with you. I did go through it to myself clearly because I did not record. This is Bazaar, that's the shop, so the online shop. I think they've got an actual shop as well that you can go and look around, which would be awesome. And they do attend fairs and things around the country if you're in the UK. Thank you for shopping with Bazaar. We hope you like the gift bag you received your order in. They are made from upcycled saris, so the bags are all made from upcycled saris. We try our hardest to reduce, reuse and recycle when it comes to our packaging. Please help us on our mission and reuse and or recycle the packaging that we sent you. Well, I definitely will. Definitely recycle and reuse the packaging because I've got plans for the packaging that it came in already. So definitely it will be reused. It gives you some contact numbers, so where you can contact. They've got a Facebook and an Instagram page, and their website is www.bazaarshop.co.uk, but I will put a link to this down in the description so that you can have a look at that. Right. Now I didn't go through this one properly, I will go through the next one properly, and that one is going to be the blue pack. So we've done the red, we've done the pink, now I'm going to look at the blue one. Okay, so here's the blue pack. I've taken it out of its plastic wrapping so as not to make so many rattling sounds. So we've got a nice little bit of some kind of a fastening there that definitely come in handy making things with that. We've got a beautiful little plastic bag of beads there that I will use to decorate with, so that can go in the doodad box. This, look at this. It looks like it's come from a banner of some kind or a hanging maybe, and I like that. That'll definitely find a place onto one of my pieces. Love it, absolutely love it. And I love the way they've done these little tassels on the end. Oh, right up my street. Right, this is beautiful. I love this so much. Colours are amazing. I do like blues and teals. I like all the colours, have to say. And this is a similar weighted fabric in like a teal and a dark navy blue and a teal. This looks like it might have been cut out for a pocket of some kind. Lovely. Okay, so this looks like some kind of a headband maybe. It's got some ties on the side of it, and then it's got some pleated bit going down the middle, but that will definitely be useful maybe as a base fabric as well, with the ties already on it. Great. Then we've got this fabulous piece of fabric. I don't know which is the right way on that one. I think it's that way. That way is the right way. It feels like a silk. That feels definitely silky. Lovely. This is a piece of cotton. This looks like a hefty piece of cotton actually. Yeah, nice fine lightweight cotton. Oh, that's going to make some beautiful bases for pieces. Lovely. Ooh, what's this? Like it could have been a butterfly at one point in time. Lots of little beads and sequins on there. That's going in the doodad box. Another little tie doobry. That might be the one I've already looked at, maybe. Ha ha ha! Some more cotton. Nice long length of this one. Oh, so lovely. Then this is like a lovely grey, dark greyish blue, sort of like a good contrast colour with all the other beautiful bright colours we've got here. This is a silk. That's glorious. Look at the patterns on there. It's lovely. And then my final piece is this. It's kind of like a thicker cotton weight. Fair bit of it. So you've got a nice big piece to work with there. So that's all of the packs that I've got. I have ordered the other 3 packs. So I've got purple, black, and can't remember what the other one was. Nope, gone out of my brain. I know there's another 3 different ones, so I've ordered the other 3 as well because I'm a magpie womble. So yeah, I'm looking forward to those coming as well. So yeah, please do go into the description box, check out the shop. The shop is amazing, but these scrap bags are blooming awesome, can I just say. And then I also want you to go over to Annie's channel, check out the channels where she unboxes hers, and the different things that she makes from as well is amazing. So there's loads of videos for you to watch over at Annie. So it's Arty Farty Annie, and it's Annie Claxton, and I will put a link down to her channel and to a few of her videos as well in my description box. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will be back pretty soon with something else. I'm not sure what yet, but it will be awesome. Or maybe not. I don't know. You decide. If you love it, give me the thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Come and visit me again here at Kooky Towers, because I do like making new friends. And we're just about to go over the 1,000 subscriber mark, so I'm really happy. I never thought I'd get 1,000 people interested in what I'm doing, so it's really nice that there are people out there who enjoy. Bye for now.